So this is Liam deciding that he needs to go up the stairs. He's already made it from down there, and now he's working his way up there. Come on. Mommy, we need some encouragement.
Come on, baby.
No, he needs to see some encouragement. Here I come.
You're really worried about who? Good job, Liam!
Go get your puppy.
The whole stairs.
Go get your puppy.
Good job, honey. Liam. Hey, Punk. Liam. Come on.
There he goes.
Come on. No, Steven's behind him. Come on. Hi, look at you.
Come on, you're almost there.
Look at you.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Come on. He's like, oh, I'm a bit tired. Oh, maybe I'll just take a break.
Help him, help him.
Liam, come on.
Give him something
Liam.
to grab at. Give him something to grab at.
Hi. Come here, look. Come here. Come here. Come here. Then no.
Come on, Duder. Come on. Woohoo! And that is a full set of stairs.